I'm going to show you how to tie the taut line hitch. The taut line hitch is one of the 6 scouting knots and is one of the best semi-rigid knots that attaches to a tent stake or anything where you can pull on and it holds its position. What you do is you wrap your line around your object and you give yourself plenty of running end. Never short yourself out. You get this going, you wrap around, and you wrap around inside of the loop once here and then twice here. So you've got this structure here, 1 loop, 2 loops, and then you come around, and then what we're going to do is we're going to basically actually create a clove hitch where you keep running the same direction with the running in. You loop it through, and this looks like a mess, but it'll fix up and finish in 1 minute. It's called dressing the knot, and what we do is we tie this. And normally you have a pretty thin cord, but that's very hard to see in a video, so that's why I chose a thicker cord. And the taut line hitch, once created, should look like this, nice and tight. It tightens up much, much better on thin cord. And then you can pull on this here, and it will hold its position with pretty decent load when you pull on it there. And then all you have to do is let go of the load. You can slide it up a bit, and then it will continue up to a point to hold its position. Now again, thick cord with the taut line hitch isn't great. The design of this hitch really works better with thinner cord. But for basic loads where I'm pulling on it, once I get this all tightened down and finished and dressed, it works great. Now, I do have a video on the taut line versus midshipman's hitch. I always prefer the taut line over the midshipman's because the midshipman's is designed to have the inner loop falls over the outer loop and then ties. And even though theoretically it has more binding strength, it's more difficult to tie, and if you mess it up, it flips over anyway and becomes the taut line hitch. So that's why the scouting program chose the taut line hitch over the midshipman's hitch. It's easier to inspect, and when you pack the knot down, it's more stable than the midshipman's hitch. The taut line hitch is featured in my book, The Most Crucial Knots to Know. Page 87, when and where to use it, how to tie it, how to use it, and what type of rope to use. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to get more info on knots like this.